empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
Brand new Sacrificial Strips. That took all of 5 minutes. Recognize these? These are over 2 years old. They were made back at the shop in Washington. More than that, because these were made, I think, when I first did the Polk Smart Benches, which was 2020. They've done great. You can see how cut up they are. This one finally broke in half. I took a piece of fall off 18 mil, 3/4 inch plywood, and I cut them to length, which the length I use is short enough to fit inside the bench for storage and for transport. So I think mine are around 71.5 or something like that. And then as far as the width, these are around 5, I say 4, 5, 6. What I did was I had a piece of fall off and I just split it into the thirds, and that's what I ended up with. I can't speak highly enough of Sacrificial Strips. I've talked about them before, but I still continually see people online, on YouTube, educators, content creators, talking about using foam backer board and put it on their bench, and then they do their cuts and their saw blades. It offers no advantages. It costs you money. Whereas this stuff, yeah, I could have used this for something else, but typically I even have smaller pieces, so it's really fall off. I'm not gonna go buy a piece of plywood to make these. It lasts a long time. These are 3 years old and they've been routed and cut and all that. And this is a brand new bench, so I can't show you on this one, but the other one, the top is in really good shape. Not anywhere close to needing to be replaced. It just has pencil marks on it and a few drill holes. Well, this is convenient. I just got a notice, and I don't need to make a separate video to tell you about it. TSO, my go-to for all the accessories to leverage in my tracks and those things. Got a whole dedicated drawer, first drawer I go into whenever I get to start work. All the blue tools, TSO, manufactured here in the US, finest quality aluminum, precision made, good stuff. In fact, you saw me use one here today. My go-to, the guide rail square, goes on all of my guide rails. This is great. I got 2 of them. They're having a sale, and the sale is, it's a Halloween sale, believe it or not, because it's Halloween. So it's today, the 27th, through the 31st, so I think Monday, 10% off of everything that is the TSO brand. So they have all the blue tools, so the guide rail square, the crosscut, all those things. And also all of they make a lot of bench dogs, including the one you need for the Polk Smart system, the power lock. That is a great tool. So everything 10% off. I'll put a link in the description of this video down below so you can go right there, one click. It will be an affiliate link, which means they compensate me if you purchase anything from them. The foam, I just don't get. It just makes 0 sense to me because it costs you money. It's bigger because you got to have it big enough to do your piece. I guess you could do strips, but then they're going to break up. And it breaks, it tears up, you got to store it. It's a mess, and it doesn't add anything. I use this kind of thing every day because I don't want to cut my benches. And whether I'm clamping and gluing, cutting, I'm pretty much using the sacrificial strips. They're free. Takes you just a couple minutes to cut them to whatever size you need. You just throw them on your bench when you're making your cuts, and when you're done, you just haul them off, and I stick them right below my bench. They're ready to go. I know. I'm going to hear in the comments about somebody that uses the foam because of this, that, or the other thing. It just doesn't matter to me. This works 100% of the time, and I have no issues with it. It supports the material. If I need it, right underneath the blade because I want a backer there for tear out, I can adjust it and move it right there. I don't need a piece. This is easier to carry, cheaper, and better. Also, there's a lot of options available on the market, and I've demonstrated some of them here on this channel where you put something in the bench dog holes. I've tried them. I've tried a bunch of different ones. I've even made my own. I've got some and stored away. I might as well give them away. I'll never use them. These just work. Sometimes just the simplest thing. I'm Ron Paul. This is My Smart Wood Shop. Mahalo.